inside the Long Life Gym here in Las Vegas, Nevada, home of the Lion, Sharif Bourgadet, or Sharif the Lion Bourgadet. Today I'm joined by none other than former United States Olympic coach Kenny Adams, Rob Rich, an author who is writing a book on one of the most exciting fighters in the world today, not only African fighters, but fighters in the world today. Renowned manager Jimmy Alex, and of course the Lion himself. Please, grace us with an opinion of Floyd Mayweather Jr.
Floyd has had a great career, outstanding career, no losses. He was very close to losing one against Castillo. He come back to clear it, won that fight. He's had a great career in 49-0, but once again,
got a successful career. He's lucky guy.
Lucky guy.
He's lucky it wasn't his time.
I give him a lot of credit because if you see his career the way he started and where he's at today, a lot of young people, it's a great thing to see him, and they can do, at least they can try to be somebody in life.
Rob, you're writing a book about one of the most exciting fighters today in Sharif Bourgadet. Quickly, can you give us a synopsis of the book?
I sure can. It's going to be called Of Cowards and True Men, and that's a direct line, a direct link to Kenny Adams, and kind of explains a lot about
Of Cowards and True Men.
Of Cowards and True Men, and that's a line from Kenny Adams, and it's a lot of his beliefs are wrapped up into a statement like that. It goes to a line from Julius Caesar that Kenny has lived and loved. It's been a fantastic odyssey for the last 17 months. The spine of the book is about Kenny Adams' life, his 30 years in the amateur ranks, in the 84 Olympics, the 88 Olympics that he coached the team in Seoul, South Korea, and then his professional career, almost 30 years, coached 26 world champions.